strawberry freestyle. For the people, the struggle freestyle.
Let me see your hands up like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. Together, Auntie and the Feffe Busi. Boy, I got. Auntie and the Feffe Busi. Yo, boy, I got a current puera. Yo, Bangambe Iwacu Heza. Kwanza nange mwana atula kumeza. Bangambe Iwacu Heza. Na watewe nsanga yo Omwana Keza. Feffe Busi. Yo, eligamba okukwata puera. Wamasembe zeno simati phone. Nsaga nambono wa iPhone. Wama mtotomide mwana linda ono muwala bulijjo gwe nninda naye ate bwe yandaga Belinda okuda bukalo aninda nalagambye anti mwana yenze Feffe Busi anti yenze Feffe Busi yo bweyagala kale nkuwerawo batumidde mwenneera abantumira batumidde n'abawagizi abampagira batumidde abawala bonna abanjagala n'abatwalibumenti abafumbira agabasinga yenze Feffe Busi wakuba kikumba yenze lwapukingi kabaka liyalize akuba freestyle neno galiyalize oyo vinka si musajja eyo liyalize ate bw'okiremerako ennyo stupidite kiba yo queen of the area liyalize oyo liyalize kiba yo queen of the area liyalize nasini ekinga sefu liyalize oyagala kale nkuweerawo nabagambye nina molaalo abate bwentuuse nengo kano kaggaalo ekintwaziza kaggaalo kuba buli ali wano nnyindo ndaalo nansaaga bakuba kale manyo wangasembera eno kamera maanyi kwate ono kahambisa mu maanyi microphone ngikwatanga gaani waliko omukono nga weeyita faani omukono kwati yo mwana bampita nno jejiri kutumidde muko wange nubiyaniri ne sister wali baliwo baheta bangambye nawo bwe bali anyway kyandeese kulagalaavu kuba mu Uganda mbalwapa ndi baavu ate bwe ntuuka mu erya baavu kitegeeza noonya muwala wakaavu bigambo bwe mbigatta kyeneebazaako Mukama ye talanta abali wano mwenna mwana I love you naye okusingira ddala ngamba abammaani yo
You guys make some noise for Feffe Busi. Make some noise for Feffe Busi.
Thank you.
Look, I know you have showed the people love.
Yeah.
There's someone out here that loves you so much that he wants to be like you. But the only thing is, right now he's here to challenge you. So, there is a gentleman from Kisoro who believes he can challenge the one and only Feffe Busi.
Give it up, give it up, give it up, give it up.
So Kisoro is in the house.
So,
are you guys ready for a freestyle between the two?
Let me see hands up like this, like this. Listen. Najua kujitondo kare chane tibu kana miko. Na meni dona daye damu tana bona. Mene za kubira for your profite mu mara sa. Kare chara bande kama sima manamas. Sa mikrofoni tangu ni kuchinu. Amira chana ya kubira moro prepa ni yoti. Eko kuni yoti ni da wada na ukwani. Chiba bugati chana ya kubira. Tutero Mugama nambo ya kubira ndite tujaban. Manabu kote mwana chane nunyi tetupa. Nukamu nambara ya rapu banya misera. OtuItabango ni chida banete wan Shea Goto ruju ni Feffe Busi muzi Nariko nanje ndisaji sarongozi Nesakana Kabu yo kukwezi Gerega murugi yomfego baranyemeda Kandi Feffe Nanje ndakwemeda Mwambo nandi hari nandi momo bafana Niko kumamagara mwenze mukwe challenge Nashimira Angelo Nduguzi Kuba mari no mwanya nandi mwabandi hano Kuri rigogo Adanodera Kurekeza kani na saba Kumita kimani pashize kwa Feffe Bade zaba simbo vupeka kola Yo, thank you. ono mwana muto tineja naye ate mbadde mmanyi mbudda meja naye kasitanda ze kakkalebi kitegeeza takyali mu bagabeji yo akuba lukyo era akuba muliro nangambye abaawo abeeri kisolo ate nange jjukira ndeeri kisolo Nice to meet you, bro. Ekisooka oyinamu kaggolo ate bwe ntuuse nno wansi ku pulo Collabo ndimuweereddewo nalo I'm gonna do the best I can on that track. Travemeza kandi tuza na tsinda Iwacu mu misozi kandi turatwika Rega abanyagisoro tugiye kugera mu Burayi bazana twumva
Yes indeed! Make some noise for Sauti Sol! Guys, make some noise for Sauti Sol! This happens to be a person I just got to discover, and I figured you guys would love to show him some love. So make some noise for Kisoro!
No. If you know you're from Kisoro, show some love! Show some love!
Big up Feffe Busi!
Feffe Busi! Big up on the song.
Feffe Busi is also representing. He has done the most of the most. So yes, make some noise for Feffe Busi. The king of rap, the king of freestyle, and now he has a challenger that we hope we can get to see more of. We did have DJ Bankroba holding us down on the ones and twos.